Apple did something they rarely do. They listened. They took the iconic, slim silhouette of the iMac, painted it in a hauntingly beautiful space gray, and stuffed it with workstation-class Xeon processors and ECC memory. It was called the iMac Pro. It was a beast. It was a statement. And then, just as quickly as it arrived, it vanished. 4 years, the professional all-in-one has been a ghost in Apple's lineup. We've had the colorful 24-inch iMacs, which are great for the kitchen or the dorm room. We've had the Mac Studio, which is a powerhouse but requires a messy web of cables and external monitors. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But for the true professional, the editor, the architect, the developer who wants a clean desk and zero compromises, there has been a massive, gaping hole in the catalog. But tonight, that silence ends. Because the whispers from the supply chain have turned into a digital roar. The king is returning. This is the story of the iMac Pro 2026, and why it is about to make every other computer on your desk look like a toy. Think about the modern workspace. We are in the era of 8K video, generative AI models that require massive VRAM, and 3D rendering that can melt a standard laptop. The current 24-inch iMac is a beautiful machine, but let's be honest, it's a toy compared to what pros actually need. Professionals don't want white bezels and pastel colors. They want a machine that looks like it was forged in a high-tech lab. The new iMac Pro is rumored to bring back that dark, aggressive aesthetic. We are talking about a 32-inch mini LED display that doesn't just show colors, it vibrates with them. 1600 nits of peak brightness. A 120 Hz promotion refresh rate that makes every swipe of the mouse feel like silk. But a screen is just a window. What matters is the engine behind the glass. Rumor has it that Apple has been waiting for one specific piece of silicon to bring this machine to life. The M5 Ultra. While the Mac Studio and Mac Pro have occupied the high-end space, the iMac Pro is designed to be the ultimate integration of hardware and software. The M5 Ultra is expected to be a 2-nanometer masterpiece. We are talking about 32 CPU cores and a GPU that could potentially rival the highest-end dedicated cards from NVIDIA, all while sipping a fraction of the power. This isn't just a spec bump. This is a generational shift. Imagine being able to train a local large language model right on your desktop without the fans sounding like a jet engine taking off. This is the promise of the 2026 iMac Pro. But why now? Why did Apple wait nearly 5 years to revive this legend? To understand the future, we have to look at the past. The original iMac Pro was a stopgap. It was Apple's apology for the trash-can Mac Pro that failed to cool itself. But today, Apple doesn't need to apologize. They are winning the silicon war. The reason for the delay wasn't a lack of interest, it was a quest for perfection. Apple wanted to wait until they could fit ultra-level power into a chassis that is less than an inch thick. And according to recent patents regarding submerged liquid cooling and vapor chamber integration, they finally cracked the code. The iMac Pro won't just be powerful, it will be silent. Let's talk about that 32-inch display for a moment. This is where the magic happens. For years, pros have been forced to buy the $5,000 Pro Display XDR